Nerve pain isn't just about age or bad luck. Everyday habits can slowly wear down your nervous system without you even realizing it. In this video, we're counting down 8 everyday habits that quietly damage your nerves. Stick with us until number 1 because it's something almost everyone does but rarely connects to nerve health. We're starting off with a big one: ignoring blood sugar. High blood sugar is one of the leading causes of nerve damage, especially in people with diabetes. When sugar levels stay high, it damages the tiny blood vessels that feed your nerves, leading to tingling, numbness, or burning pain in the hands and feet. What's tricky is that you don't have to be diabetic for this to be a problem. Frequent sugar spikes from sodas, sweets, or processed foods can quietly chip away at your nerve health over time. According to the American Diabetes Association, nearly half of people with diabetes develop neuropathy at some point, but keeping blood sugar under control dramatically lowers the risk. So, if your sweet tooth has been in charge lately, your nerves may be paying the price. Coming in at number 7, skipping out on important nutrients. Your nerves rely on vitamins and minerals to function, especially B vitamins like B12 and B6, plus magnesium and vitamin D. Without enough of these, your nerves can't send signals properly, and repair slows down. Deficiencies often creep up when diets are heavy on processed foods and light on whole, nutrient-rich meals. Doctors often check B12 levels in patients who show up with tingling or numbness in their feet. It's a reminder that what's missing on your plate can matter just as much as what's there. Next on the list is poor sleep. We all know the foggy feeling after a bad night's rest, but long-term sleep problems can actually damage your nerves. Sleep is when the body clears out toxins, reduces inflammation, and repairs nerve tissue. Miss out on that consistently, and your nerves are left in a constant state of stress. A study in sleep medicine reviews found that chronic insomnia increases pain sensitivity, making nerve pain feel even worse. And let's be honest, many of us are guilty of scrolling on our phones or binging just one more episode instead of turning in. But your nerves really do pay the price when you cut corners on rest. At number 5, we've got high sugar diets. When you load up on sweets, sodas, or ultra-processed snacks, your blood sugar swings up and down like a seesaw. Those constant spikes fuel inflammation and oxidative stress, and over time, they damage the tiny blood vessels that carry oxygen and nutrients to your nerves. And you don't need a diabetes diagnosis for this to matter. Even regular sugar hits can quietly chip away at nerve health. Let's be honest, the dessert for dinner habit might taste good in the moment, but it leaves your nerves struggling. Balanced, fiber-rich meals keep blood sugar steady and give your nerves the steady fuel they need to repair. We're halfway through the list now. If you're finding this helpful, tap like and subscribe so you don't miss the rest. All right, let's get into the top 4. Number 4, excess alcohol. Alcohol doesn't just affect the liver. It has a direct toxic effect on nerves. Over time, heavy drinking can cause what doctors call alcoholic neuropathy, which is one of the most common types of nerve damage worldwide. The symptoms include numbness, burning pain, tingling, or weakness in the hands and feet, and they tend to get worse the longer the habit continues. Another problem is nutrient loss. Alcohol interferes with how the body absorbs and uses vitamins, especially thiamine, B1. Without enough thiamine, nerves struggle to send signals properly, leading to even more nerve dysfunction. According to a review in Curious, restoring B vitamins can help, but the real key is reducing alcohol intake before the damage is too advanced. And it doesn't take decades of heavy drinking to have an effect. Even regular social drinking above recommended limits, more than about 1 drink a day for women or 2 for men, has been linked with slower nerve healing and increased risk of neuropathy. The encouraging part is that nerves can often improve when alcohol is reduced or eliminated, especially if paired with a nutrient-rich diet. By cutting back, you're not just protecting your nerves, you're giving them the chance to repair and function properly again. At number 3, we have smoking. It's no secret that smoking damages the lungs and heart, but it also harms your nerves. Cigarette toxins reduce blood flow, depriving nerves of oxygen and slowing their ability to repair. Over time, this can lead to numbness, tingling, and burning pain in the hands and feet. Winston Churchill was famous for his love of cigars, but it came at a cost. He battled multiple health problems later in life, and doctors have often pointed to smoking as a factor that worsens circulation and nerve health. Fast forward to modern times, and even celebrities like Adele have publicly talked about quitting smoking after realizing how much it was affecting their health and energy. Smoking leaves a mark not only on your overall health, but also on your nerves. So if you want to protect your nervous system, cutting it out is one of the most powerful choices you can make. At number 2, we've got poor posture. Slouching over a desk or hunching while scrolling on your phone might not seem like a big deal, but it puts constant pressure on the spine and the nerves that run through it. Over time, that pressure can lead to pinched nerves, neck pain, and even tingling in the arms and legs. Think about it. Many of us spend hours every day bent over keyboards, phones, or steering wheels. Even athletes and celebrities have spoken about posture struggles. For example, actor Hugh Jackman admitted that years of slouching during long rehearsals and filming left him with back and neck problems. If Wolverine can be taken down by bad posture, the rest of us aren't immune. Luckily, it doesn't take much to improve this. Simple changes like adjusting your chair, keeping screens at eye level, or taking stretch breaks can go a long way in keeping your nerves happy. And finally, at number 1, sitting too long. We've all been there. Whether it's a Netflix marathon, a long office day, or getting lost in social media, hours can slip by without moving. But sitting for extended periods compresses nerves, reduces blood flow, and weakens muscles that are supposed to support your spine. That combination makes it easier for nerves to get pinched or irritated. Researchers have even called sitting the new smoking because of how strongly it's linked to circulation problems and nerve issues. The funny thing is, most of us know we're guilty of it. Standing up feels like an Olympic event after a 3-hour binge watch. The fix? It doesn't mean you need to run a marathon, just stand, stretch, or walk around every 30 to 60 minutes. Your nerves will feel the difference. So there you have it, 8 everyday habits that quietly damage your nerves. Ignoring blood sugar control, skipping key nutrients, poor sleep, high sugar diet, excess alcohol, smoking, poor posture, and sitting too long. Some of them might feel small on their own, but over time they can really add up. The best part is, making just a few changes, like moving more, eating better, and getting enough sleep, can go a long way in keeping your nerves healthy. Which of these habits are you guilty of? Be honest and let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you'd like to learn more ways to protect your nerves, check out our video on 10 powerful herbs for nerve repair and pain relief. You can watch it next. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you won't miss what's coming up. And if you want to support the channel, you can use the Super Thanks button or check out our merch linked below. Thanks for watching and have a healthy and happy day.